Martin, oh, hey, my people, I see why don't cry come as I see she need us, man. Oh, yeah, make una listen. I bet make una not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys for my next video.
Ina we are join on my benamia o. We are gele mi neve life. Why we argue man? In any situation, any condition, we na gele mi neve life. O ha gwe down we gioma. Even if I kun we ni na de to boy nya yoto. U parere we ya flashback away. Argue ma wagbona. U de akon we to boy gwe. But somebody said probably she's not going to have children anymore, but just need a partner because she's still young. Sweet Joseph, my darling, who tell you say she not go born again? Shebi na you talk and I say she's still young. So the test of man where she define, you know here a test of man. She says she needs single father of 1 or 2. Which man want born 1 or 2 children because he don't born 6? And by the way, who won't take care of 6 children? Say good morning, Queen. I beg, which see why be this dollar wahala? Don't be frank with this. I be my people. Don't be frank. Get this account. I been at the fake account. Anyway, now see why for Germany. See why no Germany. Mother of 6 children. She born 1 for Nigeria. She born 5 for Germany. AKA Igbo man wife. Cynthia way they laugh me say, Queen go and marry. You never reach to marry. Queen go and marry. You know they shame me. You there for 1 room dear. You never marry. Ew, our market. He say, really, boy, she's supposed to take care of her children first now. Imagine, my lady, sweet Joseph. Imagine. Amuemeka. Oh, na the goddaughter of Enoge. Yes, the ex. Enoge she be ex. Amuemeka mwe. Or dandeli all the hookup program. Ekwebera o salobwa. Jimmy. Ida be mi o na gwalala o. Me when una dey laugh say single. Say me never marry. Una never see me for any hookup program. Even when Quirita they do hookup self. I never even go there, go knock door, say, mama, find 1 guy for me. Una never see me for any hookup program because you know why? My character, forget say I did social media, the craze. If you know me for ground, you know say my character. If I would date this man, you know if he agree, I go for once. The looking at the hookup shop. President himself. I should not consider, or should I consider, or should not? Option. Nah, see for her. Small bicycle. A bicycle is a terrible bicycle. See man, Afi Abino. She can't even select say, this boy. The albino is as they shade down for the show glass. She no go see person we carry. She be the 1 guy for UK. We just still call in. In na we no ni pack bebe keni na mo gbe ani ya odo. In na we no ni pack be no kian ye ke no ni shake ki are le gani ya de to da. E wa ni se agwalo do my people. A life in my balance. A life in my balance. See where o wa ngwa wo vi gbori bo. Why ya Anambra State? Palo no one je wotigbo. He say your network is okay. My network is breaking. Now this phone we no jaye make this phone correct itself. There is the house where see why follow Igbo man build now. How you want waka? Hey, opueke. See why? Oh, one Igbo bo. That house where Igbo use you build with children money for how many years? When you go Nigeria, go they do degen, they go they post. They go they now me you even they show that day. You say Queenie, I not be your mate. See my parlor. See the parlor where we they stay. You see now my picture they walk. Yo salo buami. Oh Igbo just I say no say you no get character. Yes. Any woman wey no get character, it be like motor wey tire boss. Any woman wey no get character for this life, it be like motor wey tire boss. Guys, is my network stable now? Please let me know. The network even stable. Go and marry. Now marriage be the thing. You think say na everybody wey marry na they happy, na they smile, na get joy. Many married women are praying to become single. Many married women are praying to become single. While some singles still they pray to be married. Some are not desperate like me. I know they desperate. It also I did desperate since I did this social media. Maybe I for those do roadside bangolo tikoti marriage by forced marriage. Waiting presenter. Okay, yes, it's stable now. Okay, thank you, mommy. Waiting, I can't go do marriage say based on waiting presenter. I go talk so that I go no say wait that I can bring my money to go and do marriage. I feel fine, man. I'll just go put money for head. I can do it, but I stand my ground. My confidence in boy. You see my confidence, boy, until I see the right man. We go still kneel down, say, baby, will you marry me? Me now will come look and say, okay, yes. Before I will go and do marriage. And I will marry. And I will know, say, this marriage when I dey go so, a holiday, full married life, because I know what it takes to be a successful married woman. I know what it takes. Una they get me so. Few years ago, this Sitekia so. She don't let me rest. I don't know her before from anywhere. The next thing, she started trending with my name. Nobody where she never said that for this Facebook. I can't do when you talk better. She started trending with my name. Queen, you know the shame. Go marry. Go marry. People like this, now they pressure people to go they do what they don't want to do. To go they fall into victim. To go they enter marriage where be say they go regret all the rest of their life. Me, you not feel pressure me. You not feel. That's why you see some people. If they just say they say you know manage to get boyfriend, go and get a boyfriend. The next thing they'll start to go bring boys. They'll go any boy you told them, they'll just drag and come put them for live video. Some go they show their hand, some go they show their leg. Only me. Even though me knock, no. I'll use and clean my mouth. It says I just okay. Let me bring it out. If now me go feel like not be bad because of what people they talk. Because if you let what people they talk for this social media affect your private life, hey, there is zero race. As you they solve this one, they'll say now let this one you feel solve, can't solve the other one. As you they solve that one, now that one you feel solve, so mass need are insatiable, be satiable. As that my sister said, they speak that English. You know if you satisfy human being. So that is why you go my way competition. Cynthia, me and you now, there is a big difference. You see, me, I be single girl. You be single mother of 6 children. 6. Now you say you dey look for serious relationship after 6 children with different fathers. After 6 children with different fathers. I first tell you say, you see that your nyash where you dey come dey shake for social media so. Where you dey form say you get nyash. Okay, as you find rich now, how far? Why you can't still be single mother? If to say na beauty, they say they marry. If to say na big nyash, they say they marry. If to say na by sabi knack, na they say they marry. If to say na even sabi cook, na they say, why you with in short, you know sabi cook, you know get character, you know your hand not they make money, you be obey where you depend on government benefits. Why you can't be single mother with your big nyash? Eh? If they say open mouth, give that speech, you no go fit. But when they will say, "Come shake nyash," but what do you have in your brain? Nothing. What do you have to offer to the public? Nothing. How are you going to contribute to your husband's life? Nothing. How are you building your family? Nothing. If they ask you, what do you bring to the table? Now your nyash, nothing more. Now your nyash, nothing more. If a man that you gave birth to 5 children can still change, only God know whether that man not in prison by now. Because I know, say, for that, he say she fin reach you. He say she fin reach you. You fin pass her. Your nyash be pass her. No, my lady, you know, say me go my competition. Me je ya niyan. Me yo dash everything. Me rockba. Me no get one single thing. Money say me hippie. Me rockba. Me myself. Me vie ya niyan. But with their frustration, with the way they abandon them, use them and dump. Use and dump them with their qualification. It shows that no be only body be waiting man need. There are more to it. Waiting go make man abandon woman with 5 children. You go know say that man don't fed the BSCs. Yes, all the time she born all these children, that man don't the BS because of 2 things. One, because of JAMA benefits. Yes, because of JAMA benefits. Germany, they give her money. 2, the man just want make the children grow small. Make them feel know their papa. In case they ever see him for road, make them know say, now their papa be this. Before the man finally leave her. Now Igbo man you want to play? Igbo me. Igbo me. Ah. If Igbo me use you play card, if they use you play tete, they're ready to they drink garri with you every day. But if they want fuck you up, or ask your boy, see why my fellow single woman, 2 years ago, you they use ring they shakara for me. You they shook ring for my eye, yo. You won't blind my eye with your ring, your marriage ring. Ama marry no matter. If it is, man go marry you. That is why I they look all this obiagli. Where they social media, all these women where don't cross 40 years, where still be single, where still be single mom, single mother. So no even boom. They'll call it tell me say, Queen, go and marry. Because people like say, oh, I cannot take this call. Oh. Please, nobody should call this number. Now, this small phone I take you online. Okay, guys, if you have anything to say, I will call you once I round up the video. Please, okay? I will call you once I round up the video, please. My people, now they get me. This caller not gonna let me go. Don't call, oh boy. Are you getting me? If you call again, I will block you. That's what I will do to you. If you call again, I will block you. My people, 2 years ago, this girl, they laugh me. She they mock me. Nothing where she not tell me. Oh. Queenie, you not go born your own pikin. You not go marry. You not go me wait take my time. They study life. They learn how to live among humans. They learn how to live a better life. They learn how not to be a liability to any man when I choose to marry. Una confess say I not get sense. Meanwhile, no, they carry different men they show for social media. Some of una can't even say men, no, they toast me. If I open my inbox for you, you go hey. But I not be una supposed to know say I not be loose. That one and one. I not be loose. Then two, I believe say anything when I want, I can get it for myself. I don't need to friend ma. Make all they buy me, she go buy me sweet. No. Anything I want, I can get it for myself. When I'm ready to say, yes, I want to go into marriage or settle down, you self, you will know. You go know. But now, I'm not ready. But these people keep pushing me. Queenie, shame on you. No man they toast you. No man like you. No man. I just they look, they say, see all this one. Before one boy toast you, 10 don't toast me. Yes. Before one boy toast you, 10 don't toast me. But I they say no. I know what. Una confess I dey impotent. Una confess I dey potent. My body not dey work, nothing. No man they toast me, nothing. I dey look una dey laugh, say, I go sit down here, close my leg, me go use una zolot it. Iye you wa zolakon, use a dompu wa zanzuwa, we zanzeya. Iye de gbedo filu wa ko wa yoto wa, iya bewa, iya huwa. Ikwe do agbo so enuwa. Because many of you think, say, na by get man, now be say you don't arrive. Many of you, the relationship una they go now for Pepe then. Una want Pepe queen. Una want Pepe me and me na. Me ma bege trailer. Aba wa wu eni ku ogbo wa mule le nene relationship awu eni wia u eni ne sickness. U eni mi an evun wa mukian. But that no even move me talk less of una relationship. At the end now, we na gbare ri again high. Cynthia Hafa, you are welcome to the singlehood. You are welcome to the singlehood. I've been a wood. You are welcome. See your life. To know how shameless and useless you are. You don't even respect the children. My lady said this year girl should be ashamed of herself. Very, very. She don't even respect the children where she gets. Many of those children don't grow. She don't even reason and say how these children go feel where they'll see their mama they hunt for man on social media. She don't even reason. Imagine me can go stay platform they find hook up. Me my brothers or my sisters go come see me say me there for show glass like this and they find man they go. They will be like, oh give me ya. Wa kweti no there for me. You understand? But this girl, she don't care about her family. She don't care about her background. She don't care about even the man where you born for, man where you deal with for years. Let's say maybe 10 years. Now you and that man take the way you born 5 children for, or 8 years or 7 years. Definitely you don't know that man friends well. You don't know that man friends well. Una no dey again fine. Some relationship dey funa quarrel, una fit later settle. Some relationship dey funa quarrel, if it take 1 year, if it take 2 years, if it take 3 years, una go later settle. Now, how you say make that man friends stay they look you as they go come see you for platform where 1,000 plus people there, men and women, their friend wife. Boys when they use you for this when they talk say hey Messi bungbe oh mommy or Messi bungbe sis or we wa be oh Messi we not tell ya be o Messi we tell ye niki na ye mula dia we hook up ya isha o de bia o ma de bia e we sis o no wa be o Messi o we na be o Messi o ma ya gwale mani ki o mine ave di o mane se ti fiancé Ugwa bonisan ugwa gba ipapasi lo ara mi atola to wa ya gba ore mon we wa fe so ni ehwe na ye gwe mo wivon yo na jo be gan etun uno do mu dia ye hook up grand we ugwa lodo See why I'm so ashamed of you. A disgrace in not say where a ragmoke me de. Ekwe we mume. Iboma do pana. She define man up and down. The worst part, she said she define Bini man. Onasi e ne franki na gbiyan. Onasi e ne franki na gbiyan. See why? Uwe wetat. Umalele Bini man. Ubiokba umalele Bini man. Ubieva umalele Bini man. Una bieha umalele Bini man. See why? Where eti you we bie sisi ne. Una amugu. Uwe abiome sisi. Uwe yagwale Bini man de. Edo Block TV. Wake me a bed drink water. I go drink water, my sister. Because these people, in my conscience, my love Edo Block. Again, especially, my conscience. Uwe no ya biome sisi ne. Oh gosh, the platform ni wa re no de. Oriomena we ni ye catapult sack but we wa. Ekwe na okwe na wa go to. Ekwe na wa mo megena. After 6 children. Unu do we do not serious. No me be mo no bungwe. No wa be biomeva. We ni do we are not biomeva. But when mo mesis. Aha imugwe. Aba mugwe we maybe because we bo. There are times 10 years from now government will not be paying you shishi. Wohinga pay the way. Wohinga kokinya. Wohinga delo waninya. Wohinga we mi yaninya si wa case when wa gbo na o mesis. Ever. Hey, your poke. See why I weva. Ha or Mrs. Ugaya at this stand on Mrs. Yevebona. Ne buena muge ujeru webwe hookup. Webwe hookup or kenu we ajena bi. Nu wabwe jama authority wakamia. Evi nu mie wagmo ya nu ya love ye yaru. Nu anso wagwo frustration de depression no na na emoku. On aime vous mettre nous avions messi là. Il go be less why. Diyan wa place where special benefit. Here wa place where special benefit because a problem in oruwo he agada godo. A problem in oruwo umie no gwegba over me ha abai we sis. E have a edema. O wona we ka mo me ha or eva or okpa is understanding. O nu me we yes already hard working. Then kwa me si wa no bogbe or lori onwu. Emi no wa set because yan ma se kosaze. Ere no ju na tie me be ni o yan ma se kosaze. Emi no wa set you e be de o waje. Oni sa eni o kwa fiege we no wa except o wa de show glass. The benjo abi de keni awe show glass ni je. Ni yan ma ya jovie panty de kede. Wa de ba. Ou ya ko son life ba ou ya ku ou de kwa hian ni ou ya nu fun akokiwo e ba ni o keke na mi we do we show glass ni we na e me na on ba we amu we show glass o we ko jovie pint okpa o money sand that side o ya ke we gini ba o maybe I understand okay 2 years old because we go less of me 5 in when so you have to build those children future ama many atai ama we se na so boma yasi we show glass we think even yari because who load you on your boy we ropa waiting winner. My lady Melissa said, "I 6 children she get." Yes, she get 1 for Nigeria, she get 5 for Germany. Me kwevi aso yo we ni 2 years ago we mo bungbe wa kun eri na yen ga come yo mabo but for your own good. For your own good. Arwe odun ame with o mesis o ye loho aba igbo ku opakekan o mesis ejama mi eviowo ejama ni yin awon anwe sigo we wa ekpopo yin aso rejection you egbeban mesis ni go no kwa wa no wo bejo jama government rejection yin kan sun abayu we egbeban ni yan ko do ya do emovio. You see your life. Oh, Iladian, I go egon. We are want anything no what can jam no what saladian. The majority of the enemy, una where they talk about uta head, all those their money, maybe every year they manage it. Uta head, people where they talk say na 2 times that they pay much now loud na they talk. Me, I don't did this Germany for 50 years. That uta head so Once I hurt, now 2 times they pay her. But before they'll give you 2 times, you must get document. Like me now, get document. You must get document or you can back away. The other one where they call Apollo, that Apollo now for people where born more children. Like me, I get 5 children, so that they pay me that Apollo. On your wine over Sabi. She don't know when to speak. She don't know says there are some things you just shut up your mouth. See where I look best you. See where I too know lead you to. After 6 children, you they look for single, serious edoma. Salopwa. Ikpe edo wa miemi ne wagbon. Ikpe edo. Abemona forgive us some women. I'm begging on behalf of my fellow gender. Walao. Nana I know what you na they read. Nana I know what you na they talk. Well, I agree. See why the time where your breast is stand, your nyash see big. Umale lo biedo. Iwuma kwe no biedo si kowe. Una we classy ya. Una we na igbo man na be the mate. We mi venu ya tian we gbabo ni do pa be video ni sitia. Unwe matuwe. My mati ma we Facebook na. Unwe weti makaso boy egbe buluku we Facebook na. Because ogo mo je uga gwale be nya. Uga gwale be nya. Ena wenu lare na wulo ge. O me va view ge ni adana ya. E ma dogo na ya hen sandi my va yeru o wa yeru we eri we ni gwana. Sitia wa jo wedia avasi bi ade nu evegeni upe we tangbe etafia webu ise na government property she be why she no go dey find ekia why she no go dey find ekia up and if she no take time there is no way German authorities go leave only she with 6 children 5 children or man possible iya most o mieso if possible they'll collect all ya e vera no le yo lere boni ave le yo lere ba Vonia le yo lereba because of waiting children. We answer mesis. Okay, now to know a responsible woman, man leave you. You not go call the man family. There are some, may I tell you, City, I want you where you don't know. There are some relationship where man go leave you. You go meet the man family. You go the burden. May they talk to their son. May it take you back. Now be this your case so. Cynthia, if you don't know, there are some women where we say if man even say they go in shakara, you know say maybe he still get time, he get 1 or 2 children or 3 children. But you see you get 6. What be an with your messes. You don't know how much they build this room for Nigeria. Say you won't even build 2 flats. Now I have the messes when you 3 bedroom for back. 3 bedroom for front. Umanwe, unigo na ya boy. Abe eke ogwana na koko mesis. Ai wa mwize yo wa vaieva. Awa lo bokpa. Edena alize. Edena wa gbesemo. E full bag of semo wa tuwe poti. Edena alisemo. E mesis akana. Origbo oko ya meni. Ugu ni de a serious edo ma wana mie vokede onisunwe ni wa deceive wena onisunwe ni mi no maru wo wigbo apa ipe ani bungwa lokwo we owa mi owo we bieme o yo nu bieme o we bie fion money iwu bie fion money Cynthia ipe we boni like mo senyo we vi yan ya we o. Thanks for joining Mama Gloria. Thanks for joining my lady. Ikbewe boni like of one ya me for we Nigeria tiyan ye gwa lo mama. See why? Demi no kbewe bo aya we una synthetic. Hey, Kabino ni amo sobo. My lady say wetin dey you? My lady, breaking news. See why the ex-goddaughter of investor. TikTok yo inagwa le hook up. Or when you need the serious edoma. No me omopa or meva. Or what they hard working almost one winner. No make another gweko komesis. Or one winner of the paluma. Or what you winner. No ya vigore ne Cynthia we ye ya kokegbe. E Cynthia o we need a hook up. Eyan amu no pelu de. E we ma be go be ani amu na ni amu na. Abi no enya. Eyan amu na. Ne te etu hu ebe te gban we ya baruru. Ona isobo. Ona wi ya wa. Ona na be atama wi yeti mu no mo mesis. Ona na ikaka meseti awe nyebe yeti mu no mo mesis. Owo mesis bungbe. Ishian ima oni sunu ye nie cause mataka mu me adema. Ishian na iga ifose ewe wamu ona ikaka me the boy omo mesis problem Georgia way I think say na joke she dey if to say no be say this Georgia I for swear for you this money I for swear for you we joke dey person wey go dey shake yansh person wey dey go dey tell say pagbenu si keyeke fiego nisan you know how many people they give a phone number yesterday for there you no watch the video when they say it is a joke dey na everything person will take joke don't say that again no. Even because I see your comment for some place, I for swear for you. I know they take that kind of talk. Like saying a joke, they will say waiting. So all those boys we call the carry kia they shake for now yesterday. Then married woman, you go sit down for where they shake a kia for you. People where did that platform, they are all single and sashi. Go see me like this one now. This albino now. He stand up. He shake a kia ya uzubu wedika. Eyana force emune city away no more. Oni na bi atawe o mama won mesis or mesis a obungbe who for fit carry 6 children who go fit train 6 children wey they no born say me vera the chat she thinks say na social media matter she can run but she can't hide from government a government will go along here. And this Cynthia, with the way me tell know this Cynthia, please make them go find her husband. Because we never see the man for some time now. Ego huye mani egani. He say, they see deportation for. Say, okay. Who be that? My lady, that name. The way you take write down. Please write it well. Deportation for who? Una they get me. My people, make una ask, see why. Say, where our husband do? Because they log in with Gemini na fieran. Iye what you da fian fieran de yes one gwale okbe ano do awi yan gino wa. You no go even know say their husband dey prison. A government award nya we ana sebeteli. I be home radio. Do jo arrest the man do go put her for prison. See why you lie, yo. As you don't go now like this, no Benima day. Any Benima way try and say he won't marry you. He go collect. You don't know what you do people husband. You don't know what you do people husband. You know try yourself. Go down one because 100 years is not forever. 100 years is not for all the cause where Cynthia pour on Querita. She go suffer put very soon. Now Cynthia and Igbo man matter we go dey analyze. Una they get me. Nobody wey she know the cause for this Facebook. Everyone by Facebook now. That is why I thought say she no get one single respect. Respect is say because say she dey cause everybody. One way job go talk you good. Now you know say that person see why the Godfather has where she they go. That one and one. Okay, for Vera body. When he has deported, na Vera they deport, so na person they cry. Well, any went any taking the street. Where any behave now, women. So after how many children she still need husband? Hey, Joe, now you they talk with you and 1 year. God go bless you for that one. Ashawo no get shape. Ashawo, you no get shape. Now be this CY also. Ashawo no get shape. For she now to go beg the husband family to say, my husband people, I don't know what happen. Oh, we get small argument. Oh, he don't come up for us. So since how many days I they call her, I know they pick. I bet more me reach out to her, I beg her. She just foolishly, shamelessly come outside, constant for hook up ring lights. They find man. The worst part wey pain me after 6 children say they find Edoma. Wey serious for Edoma for serious relationship. Bini man, the man must be Bini. You even get taste. When we equal body, you even get taste. They no tell una for this life, say, no, they laugh somebody. You go there TikTok. They go put you for TikTok. You go they kaput yourself there. You go they kaput yourself there. They even they shake. If you see what she wear come outside. There was a day I saw a video where they post. She was wearing, she was in the club. She wear short knicker. That short knicker, the way they take Tiana, so they anyash the show. I was like, this girl still the husband house. That day she not wearing. I know that this one. Though I feel no say that husband house where she dey cheat for the house. She be adulterous woman. So as I see her, it was no new to me. I look and say, oh no, I shower na this one I shower before now. I just pass. Not knowing that the man have left her. Now she's now looking single and searching for serious relationship. See, why have you been ever serious in your life? Where your boo when not go there. Now all the property where you use, both the one where you do, where you get before, when you they make a shower before you marry your husband. Where be say, una pack everything, go to build house for Igbo land. Now, where are you falling back to? Cynthia second hand. Cynthia, the single mother of 6 children. Now Sashi for a single responsible Edoma. Amugwe vajawu. Ashawo their eyes. She don't even they do one. You see why? Ogbashawo ne my people. She no feel whole break. See why? No feel whole break. She no feel whole break. They to it olo imae. They to o ezagwaro imae. Awala o from A to Z. Imagine when awala lao service why not my people. Now awala loma again now is a big sample of an awala lao. So people no get shame. You don't even respect the past relationship when for they come out say okay. At least it may be a yone. Because some women they leave my they won't even do the man back. They'll be like, oh, it may be a yone. Man just man see they cover the man. Even if say you divorce, say you need man, must you come online? Must you come online? Generally when you date, boys no date the club where you go that day nobody toast you. Oh, they do you day break one night stand at the end hey man because they don't you. Then you can't feel say nah this thing. No hear what she talk. You get one man where the first give her the man the UK. He said that one way the UK. Now she your like. She said now the one way the UK we go feed the save the bottle of money every month. So that one way the UK once they pay her or what vigonio to vumune e see why. Person where Igbo man reject, that means she's beyond repair. Igbo men we sabi beer. Tasin. Hey. Una they get me. She and Vera they try for as they do competition. In run a race. People they talk say, see why now small pikin. She just get small body. And she quit spoil. Or take a cane see why he back here again now. Or man also want be at the age of 12 years. At the age of 12 years. See why someone be at the age of 12. Imagine somebody will start to be born at the age of 12, my people. By now, what is she supposed to do? By now, what is she supposed to be doing? Somebody say, na yeah, girl, what is she do? No, make me no like her again. Okay, quick, stop. If she not come online, how will one take no? Do blog. Or go when women blog. Those are blogger. I better not feel laugh. Why will they make a game you? Oh, what la diamond on it? That is it. Me. I don't know how people take they live life. Even if say maybe you, even they look at those people where anybody you see, where they come out online, they find hook up, where they don't need them private. You know say their character no good. You know say their character is no good. Before you be like as I did so now, I'll come talk say okay now I'm ready to settle down. I want marry. I'll come go sit down for one show glass. Then I go come the need man where they UK. I'll come the need man where they Germany. I'll come the need man where they Sokoto. What about if I marry man from for Italy when I did, then we gotta go UK. Or I marry for here, we gotta go Germany. That one not good. Why must my eye dey beyond? Where I know say that relationship now 50-50 to not lead us to anywhere. Why my eye go even dey where person? When me dey Italy, I'll go the farmer for Kafashan. If not be greed, okpolo eye, and ashabolism, because once that one where the UK don't go work, when already on where the way level. The work where that one where the UK go now. Much going don't we go here if I will you pop back go away. Girlfriend di marry Italy, yari eba or girlfriend di marry Germany, yari eba. When I go here, a day baby if you moye school where you level. A sign of ashabolism. A no responsible woman will come out. My lady say, so she not dey happy for marriage. She go come out the chat kokobiri every day. Tama. Igbo kokobiri don't put pepper for her eye. Or we might need Igbo kokobiri. He go here do kokobiri yini. Or we need over here do kokobiri. No what serious. Na my dear mirror pavegbe. When we hey nyangane. When we hey nyangane. Respect yourself or see why. Respect a boy. Mabe mesaga we si maitie bonwe. Because who wemene to owa. Ekwe boemwe. There are things before you do it. You do not even they take advice. It will say you they take advice. People where you they follow, they advise you. Say Queen, you can find love anywhere. My sister, that love, you can find love anywhere. That one a bad luck. That one is try your luck. Distance relationship not be waiting that they tell person to do. I don't advise people to do distance relationship. You're there Nigeria now. So people there Nigeria, they'll go they get love for Nigeria. They'll there Europe, they'll go they fall in love for Nigeria. Or if you know say that place not be where you go, they go every month. Not even put body. Anything where go make person they all pillow, they cry, sleep till they break. I don't get that time. You be like say, okay, when I'm ready now, it's okay. I want to deal with man. Then I'll come go they follow you, they do video call. They do hello. Babe, you don't bath. Make I see you. Turn your back. Turn your front. I don't get it. Now the hungry they do this type of relationship. No, except say maybe you first know the person before you travel. My lady, Nigeria is too far. Okay. Because some people they do one. Except say you first know the person before you travel, go anywhere where they. That one is understanding. Say you can't go stay hook up. You see, they see them now. They also they Italy, they'll say they find hook up. Where you for need man, they'll say they need man for California, for America. You when you define man now for California, who maybe if not be feed the money where you define. Because you know they really find relationship. Why you go there Italy, they find man for California? We're not where maybe. Okay, before the man now go feed you. Come they find money to process paper. I do to get ticket. So if you want your come visit your guy, I can budget like 1,000 your ticket. Rule down my milk there. I know they do that one. Relationship what they do. If you go too far, at least you're like fast train. Maybe 3 hours. I feel manage sit down for train 3 hours. If now where the feet drive go, okay, no problem. I feel go. Say all this it will cross. I say I fair know you before you travel. May when a longer period relationship. I know they if it's too long, I know they do. I know they do, I know they fit. I know go fit keep am because me, e get the way me sit there, me they jealous well. Now what small thing you do our bloody. I know they do, I know they try am. Una they get me. This Ekbuesis, where they Germany now, she don't born 6 children. Now she they look for single responsible men of Edo State, Edo men. For all over the Europe, Canada, America, UK. She said she go carry. Ogbaloma no do blolele kokomo for your mind, you sharp. You sharp, na igbo man use you dump. See why? Umeta mawe, I dey give you this advice. I know say nobody go give you this advice for this full Facebook. You don't pass the stage where they select. You dey get me so? You don't pass the stage where they select. You now, you supposed to be anywhere belle face. And your own type of woman, woman will be say, ma go dodge you, follow backyard, enter house. He go knock you, then he go still dodge you, follow that backyard, come outside. He no go want me, no, a neighbor no say you dey. He no go want me, friends no say you dey. He no go want anybody no say you dey. A book only way, where he need choice and who will need taste. No be say you come out now, tell the phone say, before you come more, life not be shame where not there you are. Shame the way you there for them. Men not there the streets. Men not there, gay black boys no food Jamie there. Unime when you ba wene. Iyan ba wene. Ah, where you take see say, you too useless. As small as you are, as you did, so wait till you know it pass you. Eke down no muri agmon to ye lelele. Or to no more la webo mani bonnet tomorrow. Umari bonnet tomorrow. Egero kelu money ye only left for our own peace of mind. When it wake backbone, oh who we agbon we. Abamo vo you want kadu ashe koni san rere ne miro pa ise. Any man where you see go put hand for your matter, no wa be ya gbo be de kun you egbe. That man, he no gets. He say person wey no sabi speak common broken English. Oh. Any man wey carry you now, before 2-3 months, he go leave you. Yes. They can walk come message you no wana we go. O message. Wu wa si linyanji. No wana we go. Ne kwene mwe. E ya buzela wanu ge kwe amuwe. Ela jando afie go ni sa oni 600 na badawan. Na badawan. E bon we afie ge no ni sansenia. Me wole come shop, clean mat and go. No man will take you serious. Is the truth. The one where you born for Nigeria, he leave you. You born at the age of 12 years. The man leave you. He abandon you. You go see con Germany, you see somebody say, wala deo. Yes, so happy Sarah, my darling. You can't still con Germany, you can't jam me, but after you don't do a shower. You don't do serious ashawo. You can't still see Igboma along the Ashawo road. You can't begin start to the born for Igboma. Now you born 5 children. Igboma leave you. Igboma leave you. Make sure say you not put that man for prison because I know you. I know what you will feel do. You are the most useless of all women. Why I don't see, but you go feel say now you dey on top of the world. I hope say you never put that man for prison. Because if you put that man for prison, you won't be on your hand to boy. That means your predicament will be worse than this way, just the so. Because you have no reason to put that man in prison. 1, you don't have manner of approach. 2, you don't know when to speak and when to keep short. 3, you don't have anything upstairs. Your head empty. Your head empty. And you are so mannerless. Women respect. 1 single half-quarter respect, you no get. You no get. If person open mouth, they talk. Now you tell me, say, hey, the way you talk anyhow. Any small rat like you will see, say, 2 women, they talk. Or what the precious make the weather on a rovioni. Again, you don't know ya mwe besangbe. Ari donyo ya mwe besan gbe. O wa mwe Lady Precious me gireve de oni ona rovi oni wa we oni ya service very cool. Ukmono ni jo, edi oni ma dress say, edi oni we no pa, edi oni wonona, edi oni I just dey look and say he. Person where you call your friend, oh, not be so na fair de quarrel. No be so na fair be enemy, una not dey play, oh. This one una dey play, una dey talk. The party where the person go, na your godfather own. You don't be like as I did na Kurita will do party na people go. Then me will call the saga people where go. Is that no sign of jealousy? Ona chebone Precious Meg no wana. Soon. He can't even they cause Lady Precious Meg single mother. Ari yen do one your talk bed on your mwe bogbe. Ari yen do your mwe bogbe my people. Now she's not a single mom of 6. Single mom of 6. Beauty without brain. No brain. Nothing to offer. Even if you tell her, say, okay, just talk about speech for where she no get. She no feel handle speech for 10 seconds. Both good English or bad English or pidgin English or bini o. Eme magba unwe. To wa. E si wa no zuwa wagun. Oila diaregani. You with Obiagili, now Obiagili are going to call those liquidated women. I mean, lovely video. Those are Obiagilis. Obiagili, any Obiagili, whenever a single mother of 6 by stupidity. If you still look Obiagili, then they want another person, go and marry. You look there, they know their husbands. Iyamami no there. They don't even get boyfriend. They don't get anything. He get where woman go even mature, reach your life. Like any food where you they shop, you they show and say, okay, now this man they shop, now this thing they shop, now this food they shop. Our Biagili, they never even they know they try. Because they get sign of crazy people. So nobody want to mingle with crazy women. That's Obiagili. Our Biagili in my social media. Then see why. Look at you. Do you think social media is all about only your platform insulting people? That is why when I do my video, and if I do my video, forget say people fit us sometimes say, Queen, you are crazy. This Queen, I don't like Queen. I like some people like me, some don't like me. Everybody must not like you. If everybody like you for this life, there's something is wrong with you. Everybody must not like you. As me they so. If, as I tell they do my videos, people know, say, they always stand for the truth. Yes. If I see 2 people, they fight, that they oppress themselves, and I come in as a third party, and I tell you, say, these 2 people, they quarrel. You, this person, now you wrong. See what you do, see what you do. See how you offend this person, see how you offend this person. Does that make me a bad person? No. That is why no weapon formed against me, they know they succeed. And secondly, if I get quarrel with person, yeah, and I know they take on, when I'm a contract, I know they carry people matter, go they put for person hand. You feel see me quarrel with person today, tomorrow I'll eat with that person. But if I know, say, this person, he said, Queen, me no like you. I don't blog. Not me tell come. When I was married. You when they use me come. Forget. We know who like me as I did. So even though person they saga me today, I know who like me genuinely on this media. You see this Facebook as a big result. I know people where like me genuinely. I know people where don't like me. I know people where they fake follow me. I know people where they pretend follow me. That is why I'm so difficult to convince. You know fit on my brain. You know get how you want to, you know fit on my brain. Because if I sleep, I dey see things. And a mani leruni me or boost a mani tie boni me. So why will I be stressing myself? That is why I know they take social media. You see me, if I have the social media talk, if I off this platform now, I'll go take cold shower. I dey go my appointments. Now, I not say yesterday I also go appointment. Today I go also go. Why? Because now summer we there so. Once I come at that appointment, I'll go do a bow hair. Yes, if I will yadi or dry room, no here say. If I open my bag now, I'll see and say, una baby girl or coco Kevin, summer jena. Winter now we take they shop the money because winter we know the work not the day like that. So now the one we will still save how you are pay be where is more better than jumping from one man to another. It's more better than that is why I know they do competition. I'm not anybody say I too get what I get. No. But I know that in my own zone, I'm comfortable. I do a lot of things. Business, hell, anything where they bring money, I always they involved. So if God they give me everything when I want, they bless me. Why upon they follow say because me a person quarrel for social media and I can't say this person he do me something like this. No, even if you offend me, if you do what it good, I will still tell you say this is the way you do so now good thing. If you do what it bad, I will still tell you say this is the way you do so now bad thing. Or when you down the one in my camera, I wear it baby. I wear it baby. Una they get me. Things where me don't see for this media, like though some are experienced. People like this in take care no war. Putting pressure on me. Go and marry. Go and do this one. Go and do this. Today now market. How market? Since you're not the phone weapon and take care of 6 children. Me where should they mock that time they laugh. Me why kore me can't return. Any food don't give me, I cook it. Anywhere for I know they lack. If I need for immediately, I they get them. If I need more, not worry. I get surprised they come for now. Small sign, I'll pull out my ride. By God grace, not be say maths. I'll pull out my ride and I'll say, hey, say queen, yes. If I not there on media, I'm working on myself. I don't want to end up with a bag of liquidated women or nothing to offer. Yet or year, nothing to offer. I have made congratulations with Joshua here. I have made anything because what they don't feel work on themselves. They feel say you where they look them now you be their problem and everything. When me say man social media na me ye be meta. No people say we saga every day. Now you take man no. Even though people they do saga, even if you like they do saga every day, and they go through all platform. There are platform I know say if I reach, I will collect sense here. You feel no say I just they watch you. Say congratulations, my love. Or may say we say where do blog where mudzia you patient now. Or may say no caster. Lao we caster lao. You understand? If you reach more, not worry now. I'll carry come everybody go. When I go sing, I go they play, go they show. That time people go see no say no be to the daylight video they look grow. Follow people where they grow. Follow who they grow. Follow who they grow. Not be say follow who they do saga the saga. Follow the saga. Where was saga here? Me, if I true for my saga, I have a lot of things to put my time. I work with time. Only mommy where they have a big if I still get to a bow and want to anyway, I didn't make it. Then they play. But don't want saga yahu dada here. Don't yahu. There are people on this media that they do saga, but they get good mind. Yes. I know people will be say yes. If you tell me say queen, can't people will be say they do saga, but they get good mind. I will count them for you. Forget say maybe some things gonna happen. Say even if me and son they quarrel, I know roles where they fit play. I know what they fit do. I know the kind of mind where they get. Now they get me. So if you dare social media, some people now go just see. I know say a lot of women where don't come up for husband house like CY now. They feel they shame to come outside, come they find husband. I see why I do and so. So with this CY own, they will be. He said, please keep it a secret, please. Yes, so my lady, amen, I collect them. Why would I collect them? But definitely it's a secret. If you be say I will come up for this country, if you be say I know will come up for the country, if you be say I will go Nigeria, if you be say I know go Nigeria. But I know that something is coming. I'm cooking something. Now they get me so. So na so it be. No go Maria, no ria say. I see why you see mumu come out now. People go you see look come back. See why we made them way. Ona wa ladian. Ona wa mi obia. Iya mo obia ne this abino so. Iya mune. Imi awa we ladian. Imi awa we ladian. Ni do go me. Imi awa we ladian. He say, you is oh God. I for not talk. Edo blog ya boy. Thank you, Mama Bridget. Thank you, Mama. Now they get me. People go want you see copy see why now. The next thing, una will see say they will come aside. Iyan vie penti ya ikwe do so ne gbogbe. Iyan do vie penti ya odo. Avike biyan nebo so lokwa. Iyan do mula diyan. They will come begin the dadara up and down, up and down, up and down. They will come begin the dadara up and down. Iyan do asi you see ere. While their mates are busy writing exam, passing exam. Their mates, they look people where they achieve. Their mates, they go nursing school. Their mates, they go footballer school. Their mates, they work better work. They not go see all those ones who make their copy from. They go one copy. It will work out in. Thank you, my lady, Mama Melissa. They not go look all those ones make their copy. They will come go copy. A city wala diyan. Yan wa me be amune. Yan wa mi okpe ani nwine kia wo wa mu nwine kia nwune we wa mi we so yan agbale kia wa mi we yan agbale kia wa mi we yan they will not even think of adding values to their life. Me, when I come this social media, I gain a lot. I gain a lot as I enter this social media. But the day I will bring out my gifts, my congratulations, the day I will bring out this my present, so this my gift, so then I will come name everything when I don't achieve for those cyberspace since I become a live video presenter, and I go to show now the dates, the receipts, and everything. I go to not be to buy big phone, they carry phone, not be achievement, all those. Material quick things not be achieved inside room not be achieved. I will show you guys things when I don't achieve since I become a live video presenter. You know why? You know, say myself I struggle. Yes, now my lady, don't blog. You not just babe where we say yes. You arrange your life. You arrange your life, eh? Not be everybody, not be, that is why this social media, the time I never see this media, it gets some mentality when I forget. You understand? I just get mentality of, I don't already get, I don't need more. You understand? I don't need more. But when I come become live video presenter, I come know, say, there are some places where I fail. When I need to work towards, when I need to achieve. This life, nothing where you not feel achieve, except say your mind no day. Nothing where you not feel achieve. When I come, they see people they do, people they run, people they go here, people they go, people they buy something, people they start school, people now say, wait to happen. Let me put values to myself. As I still single, so as I never still get picking when they take care of, so I get opportunity to run all those races now. You understand? I learned from a lot of people on this media. I learned. Some people even use some of the things mock me. Say, you know where mock person. A mock who make yo because uswe mani mock me na kina. Velo na give senya. I take how Messi so ya go a serious relationship with him. Who would have thought that Cynthia would be looking for a serious relationship with 6 children? A bank by a serious relationship. A hookup standing in me ma mutiaji. Ye mudiaji. Eva inakpe ogo nyakbeva. Husband needed, serious boyfriend needed. Book a serious boyfriend. You will not go husband house. Can't be your messy a boom go a serious boyfriend. You be virgin, you not follow a doma. You born one, you not follow a doma. You born two, you not follow a you born three, you not follow a doma. Who kaput to one and the family. God see this me. If people do something that they talk about, again one presenter why I see for this live video where open house. Presenter where open house. Now they get me. She don't the live video. Now they laugh and say not get anything. But today she get house. She get a bit she not get. She get. So some of you, if you like, come they analyze saga. If you like, come they do saga. If you like, 10 years from now, you go end up like them Obiagili. Obiagili wey dey Holland, na bicycle, or a bicycle only guina, where they agbe. The one wey dey Germany, a train station ya te yari so. A train station ya te yari so no Biagili, no re Germany. Train station they cry. Nothing, no school, no certificate, nothing. If Kurita says sometimes I dey watch Kurita video. You get one video where Kurita do. Get one video where Kurita do. You know, 3-4 days ago. That video, I don't watch that video now more than 4 times. Now I don't watch that video. I don't even share and go give some of my important friends. Yeah. That video where she talk about one man. Wait till the man be when a speaker. Is this speaker? Somebody should remind me. Now speaker that man be all those people where they talk for conference. Wait till they call her again. Oh, I be lecturer. Is he a lecturer? I don't know whether the man a lecturer. You understand? That video, I don't watch it 3 times. And I learn a lot from there. Me before, I don't know, say if person born, like if you born, there is a way you go draw your timetable with your children. I don't know, say your children self go get timetable where we say if they break, everybody know what to do. Everybody know what they need to do. Everybody know when to bath. Everybody know when to wash their food flask. Everybody know when to arrange inside their bed. Everybody know when to offer and go to bed. Everybody, when I can't wash them, then I can't go. I can't go chat about that. I can't go search that word where she use. Again, what she call her something structure. Whether now, hey, where I write and put to a book not there for sure. Now, family structure, I've been a children structure. Get what you call her. How to organize your kids. Cynthia, you need to go and watch that video because who go help you? Now you owe the cost. That's why you remain useless. Go and watch that video. So, or may see no be na. May you feel build their future. When your money here, Ambroba, Boko Haram, Awele Morocco, different things. So I show glass. I don't wish you anything bad like that, okay? But go and watch that video to know how to organize those children while they are still young. Let me say you go stand for somewhere, they do a shower, they find man. Now man be your problem now. A sis in web you might organize one way in Nigeria for many years, you might more like webo. When we in Nigeria, some we movie when it useless girl, Onetia Muria. Go and watch that video. Go learn. I learn a lot. I never even bought. I don't write timetable put for years. Okay, this is how to raise a proper way to raise kids. I don't write on here. Food where you supposed to the chop. How to go hospital. Go hospital. Go do test. The other is it not when is it early this year? Yeah, I went to hospital. Go do pap test. Women where they don't know where to be pap test. Pap test. That one where they'll go check whether you get anything. Very important. Nothing when me know they check. That pap test now, yeah. They say you they check every 3 years. I don't still go check this year. Blood test or everything. I don't go. And they solidly they go because why? Good health is wet. When I want to make I old enjoy my life till ya back. I want to say now let's I sabi take care of myself. That's why you see me. People go see me. Hey, Queenie. Hey, Sassy B. He dey for far, baba. He be like this. Only water now they drink. Since when this one start now, I never even rocking. But if you see my skin, you know, say, all shine. All shine. See why I'm with face like that. Click by ogbe. I hear disease no muki am wegbe wa. Ogwa ogbe. You never fit take care of yourself. You never fit treat yourself. You no get front. You no get back. Eh? You don't get front, you don't get back. Now, man, matter how you. I bet my people, God will bless you for standing for this video, for supporting this video. He said, since I just want to the shop different, he go over now. He gets where woman go reach for life. It can go be list of her problem, especially those one with kids. Yes, now. Cynthia, a position of your general, I can't make kind. And if they give her a chance, she will born this thing. Or be a thing. So if you're a woman out there, take care of yourself. Okay? And live He said general checkup is very important. Yes, so my lady, very, very important. Very, very. How you know, Italy now, I get daughter. We get free daughter. You get your free daughter, anything. If mosquito bite you, I will not go. Anything. She don't even know me. Say, see. She know me. Mosquito bite me, save money. But say, wait, I'll say, this my hands. Yesterday, I scratched a small consuelo. Never see go down. He go write medicine for me. If I go to pharmacy, sometimes I'll buy the medicine €2, sometimes €4. Because as I say, now doctor write out for me, the medicine go cheap. Now you see some people, I have a check egg. I have a, you don't know your front, you don't know your back, you don't know your this. Nothing. Nothing. Just the prick. Like I don't get it. You need to build yourself first so that you will feel build man where you go meet or where you go marry. Most men for Europe, we know. Men don't know paracetamol where they drink. Men know if headache they do some men, they don't know the medicine to take. They don't know medicine where go make them even sleep. They don't know medicine where go make them they eat where some men know they feel eat. Some men don't know when to deworm. Some men don't know anything about their health. That is why God make you a woman. You are the head. In short, don't be say be head of the. Now you go they control the house. Know who they seek for the house. Know which medicine each people need. Know study the behavior of your husband. How they do. If they shake, if they sleep well for nights, if they breathe well. Some women don't know those things. That's why they run enter the marriage. They run come back. See why? Welcome to Single Mother Association for Germany. Man, make I say you can't wear short knicker, they shake hands. No go me do echo do analyze them. I know say you still go hook up show today. Because inugwalo ma so wobo. Eki ane boy inugwalo or ma so wobo. You know fear after 6 children. You say you dey find serious edoma. If na your brother, you go gree me marry this kind of woman where you be so. They will do you. They will do your family. Why we wake out nonsensical buhere. I bet my amazing people. May I go freshen up, okay? If I still get time, I'll still come back online. Okay. If I not still go again, I'll still let you know. If I still go, I'll still let you guys know. But meanwhile, anything you they do, make sure say they collect your rubber. Very important.